Hello, guys. Happy Wednesday. So, this week we have been working on measuring in inches, feet, and yards. So, I want you to look at your weekly success criteria here and just notice a few things that you need to make sure that you're measuring accurately and understanding that an inch is different from a foot and is different from a yard and be able to estimate. You're going to estimate, which means you make a good guess as to how long something is. So if I said, how long is this, I don't know, a book or something, you can't tell me, oh, that's 2 inches, because 2 inches is only this long. So you need to make a reasonable guess, a guess that makes sense. So on Monday, you went on iReady and IXL. You found things in your home to measure. And then oh, it's loading. Why is it loading? Hold on. And then on Tuesday, not sure why it's loading. On Tuesday, you had a practice buddy on Pearson Realize. So make sure to get that done by Sunday because on Sunday, I am checking it off for a grade. So go on to practice buddy on Pearson. Make sure you get your iReady minutes in as well. So today's Wednesday. Today you're just watching this video and then you're going to go on your own and practice measuring in inches. So an inch, if you hold up 2 fingers, an inch is about 2 fingers wide, okay? So things like a whistle, a paper clip, a knuckle, your snap cubes, that is about the size of an inch. All right, so let's take a look at how to measure using your ruler. Now remember, an inch is about 2 fingers wide, so you need to make sure that you're using the side with the inches. Not all rulers have it labeled, so you need to kind of know about how wide an inch is. Because if you try to use this side, this is actually centimeters. If you hold up your pinky, that's about a centimeter. And a centimeter is a much smaller unit. This week, we are focusing on inches. So always make sure that you are using the correct side of the ruler, all right? Next, when you measure, let's say I'm measuring the length of this line, all right? This line. If I start here, if I start at the number 1, it is saying that this line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like I am counting up 5 hops, but it's landing on the number 6. So then you might tell me, Miss Negron, this is 6 inches long. It's really not. Just like a number line, you need to start at 0. I know there's not a 0 here. Basically, they just didn't have room to write the number 0, but it's 0. So scoot that over, always start at 0. And you'll see that it matches, okay? So if I have my line again, I start at 0, 1. See how it matches? 2, 3, 4, 5. And you don't even need to hop. You could literally, the power of the ruler here, you could literally go 0, look at the end, 5. It should be very fast. So I should be able to draw a line, 0, look at the end, let's say it's right here, 3. 3 inches. Don't just write 3. 3 what? Because it could be 3 miles. It could be 3 centimeters. So you need to write 3 inches when you are measuring. Now, Mr. Ground, what if it's in the middle? So let's say you have a line like this. It's past the 2, but it has not made it to 3 inches. So really, it's kind of like 2 and then a half. It's about 2 and a half. Well, in 2nd grade, you just say it's about 3. That means it's almost 3 inches. It's getting there, okay? So you can say about 3 inches. That's fine. If you want to go above and beyond, you can write 2.5. But if you're taking a test or something and you have to decide between 2 or 3, just go up to the next one, 3. All right, whatever it's closest to. So now what you are going to do is use inches to measure items in your house. I said items in your pantry, so I went to my pantry and I got a couple random things like this delicious taco filling. So you're going to measure the length of items, not the height, not how tall it is. Length is how long something is. So you're going to start where the package starts at 0, the beginning of your ruler. Look at where it ends on the right side. This package of taco filling is about 6 inches. So on your paper, you write, you can just make a chart like this. Taco. Oh, not there. Right here. Taco filling about 6 inches. Then you can grab something else. I have a box of baking soda. I'm going to measure how long. I need to make sure to start at 0. See where it is. Ooh, it's past, it's like exactly 3.5. I'm just going to say 3.5. All right, but if on a test it says 3 or 4, go with 4. So that was, oh, I thought you could see it. There we go. Baking soda. And then you put 3.5 or 3.5 inches. Now, I did bring another item because it's round. See, the thing of applesauce here is round. And you're not going to measure like this around it because that would be something different. That would be called the circumference all the way around it. We're just measuring the length. So the best way to do that is measure it on the bottom. That's what I would do. Maybe not the top because look, the actual container is wider. So maybe the bottom if it's widest. And put your finger here so it lines up at the 0 and see where it lands. There we go. It's about 3 inches wide or long, okay? There you go. It's about 3 inches. You see that? So then you could write applesauce. And then I also had this container here of my delicious tea that you know I love. All right, you can measure the length of that right here. Let's see if it fits. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, I did something wrong. I'm on centimeters. No! That's about 5 inches. See where it lands? About 5 inches. So just go in your pantry, pull out some random things, write down what they are and how long they are, okay? If you want to do length and then you want to do height, that's going above and beyond. In 2nd grade, you only have to do how long something is. It's up to you what you want to do. All right, guys, have fun measuring things. And then let's take a look real quickly to make sure I'm not missing something for tomorrow. Yeah, I'll see you again tomorrow for another video. All right, guys, have fun measuring. Bye.